with me. Wait. Maggie, Coda. Good. Good. All right, I'm actually gonna hold my wait. Wait. I'm gonna hold the shepherd back. So Coda, here. Here. Breakfast! We got one. Oh no, Maggie. Okay, well, we just took a little swim. We all had a great time. Oh my god. Oh, that's. But yeah, it's cold. It's also starting to rain. So arguably the vibes are immaculate. I also found a piece of glass I obviously gotta pack out, and I also found a vertebrae, which I don't know what kind of animal it's from. So, let's see if we can make it back. Oh, Maggie, you look gorgeous! Oh, show everybody. Oh, good Lord! Okay, we're gonna have to dunk that in the water again. Hello, potato. Hi, potato. Coda, what good stick? Okay, I am cleaning up trash because what else? I've got my fanny pack, 3 leashes, e-collar, phone, my hiking shoes, my shirt. All the dogs are luckily off leash. We're just gonna slowly make our way back. I think we're just gonna walk along the beach. Also, Coda's very happy, so is Sam. See why I couldn't really video, because something about Carter is it's very rocky. All right, let's pick up some more trash. What do we got? We got a bottle. There's a glove up there. Already got some fishing line. I did not have enough hands for this journey, but this is all the trash that we collected. I also gotta remember to take my vertebrae out of here. And instead of walking on the trail, I'm just walking in the water along the beach and then collecting trash as I see it. Look at this dirty, happy golden. Hi, gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Oh, hello. Hello. Sam, can you boop? Yes. Good job.